Daddy's done. Daddy's done.
Buling it then.
Mommy. Mommy.
Hmm?
Daddy. Daddy. I'm home on Daddy's.
What happened to Daddy?
Up there. Hi. Oh, no.
Is Daddy asleep?
I
Give Daddy a kiss. Good girl. Say I love you, Daddy.
Daddy.
Morning, lady. Good morning, my little bear. Good morning, my big bear. Ning, ning, ning. Ning, ning, ning. Today is Sunday, guys. Lalabas na ang buong family. Ate Paris and Mom. They're outside now. So, this morning, ay hindi nag-makeup si mami niya, guys. Kasi, pupunta lang tayo ng market. So, dito sa Byron Bay, meron silang Sunday market. Obviously, every Sunday. And, apparently, it's from 8 o'clock to 3. So, it's 9 o'clock, buddy, yeah?
Now?
Yeah. 9:30. No, it's not.
10:30.
Huh?
10:30.
Is it?
Oh, Mommy and Daddy.
You too.
Well, Kevin said there might be a kite at the market.
Maybe. We'll go have a look.
Can you buy it if there's one there?
Yeah, if there's one. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. I'll show me your outfit. Wala akong buhok lang. Wow, you look so cool. See, it is sunny. Sa forecast, sabi na cloudy today, but it's sunny. Maybe mamayang hapon cloudy siya. So, yung suot ko is, ano pala to siya, guys, like, naglaga lang ako dito sa ibabaw kasi maginaw ba, pero ganyan siya, oh. Ganyan. This, sweetie?
It's not the owl.
The owl snack?
Yeah.
Stop here for coffee.
Baby Chino.
Baby Chino? Baby Chino or hot chocolate?
Baby Chino.
Okay. This is what they're talking about. Nice.
Someone screaming.
Huh? Lini, Lini.
Mama.
I love you, Lini. Mwah. Diyan lang pala yung market, guys. Oh, tignan nyo yung Sunday market. Tignan nyo, oh. Lahat yan dyan. Oh, have a look here. Yes! Huh?
Hairstyle or getting a toy?
Hairstyle, I think.
Then we will do hairstyle.
Yeah. Look what's in here.
My outfit?
Maybe we can find like gemstone here for you.
Okay, if there is gemstone, we'll get one.
Yes.
But I don't think so.
That's cute. Bumili ako ng hot macadamia, guys. Coconut. Sarap. Nilabas sa pram. It's getting so warm now. Tingnan nyo. Wala na akong jacket. This way. Wanna sit back in the pram? Huh?
I kind of don't really
That's
feel like I'm
nice.
going. Like, I don't know what it is. I feel like
Super cool.
oh no, look how it's just close to the middle of
$100. Rings. Iba yung style nila dito, guys. Sa style ko nga. What? Coin. Rings. Tingnan niyo. Ba? Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Did you? Yeah, orange juice. It's freshly squeezed. Oh, it's so cool. Have a look yung shop, oh. Parang orange din. Yeah. Yeah. That's super cool. It's huge. They have all sorts of food here, guys. My samosa, donuts, juice, curries. Asa na ba si? Mama, nadali mic. Mom! Mom! Look at this. Where's Mom? Oh. He was there before, looking at those clothes. So Paris is going to have face painted. Are you excited? You excited? Huh? She's okay there. She's watching. Mom's there, see?
I'm having my face paint now. And I already bought my ring. And after painting, I'm going to do my hairstyle. And this is what my ring looks like on me. Oh, yes.
Your turn. Celine in the background. What do you say, Paris? Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. There's a mirror at the front of my sign as well if you want to have a look.
Yeah, this way. Lily! Lily! Look at the Paris' face, Lynn. Nak siya si Lynn. Lynn, look at the Paris' face. Lynn! Look at it! What is that?
There's the mirror again.
Oh, wow, look at Mama. So beautiful.
Mama, I want to have the eyes.
Yes. Thank you. Here you go, Ate. Ate.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Yeah, get your mango because that's your favorite. That's your favorite. Here you go. Yes. Woo! Oh, thank you. Ciao. Yum. Okay, away from here, Bob. There's people. Wow. This way. Wow, this place is massive, guys. Hindi pa namin nalibot lahat.
Pretty old paper.
Yeah, pretty. Got candles. Rising moon. So they closed this whole road, whole street.
They love heart necklace.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Kabulingit na sila ni. This way. That's super nice. I really like that one, guys. She said that's all her painting printed on the fabric. They're really cute. But it looks like Zimmerman, you know? Not today. Sometime last week, maybe. This is cute.
Daddy?
Got tarot reading? Daddy? Good, get tarot reading if you want.
Whoppers. Good. You make money.
Don't worry, kids.
Wow, look at that.
Under control. After all, I'm a professional.
Why? Are they just watching?
Yeah.
Or the men just
Yeah, they're just watching him. See?
Please throw the knives at me. Check this out. 3 spectacular tricks with a bowler hat. They're going to get better. They're going to get harder. Check this out. Oh, that wasn't it. Number 1. And the big one. This is the most difficult hat trick I can do on a giant unicycle. 1, 2, and 3. Quick clap, people! Wow! Wow, it's amazing! I can catch a hat on my foot, stay balanced with one leg longer than all of you people can clap. With the wind. 1. By the way, this isn't as easy
I see him
as
get
it
out
looks.
there.
If it goes right, you better go nuts. 1, 2, 3.
Nakatakbi, we'll have a look at these frames. Very nice. Oh, look. Super nice prints, yeah?
Have you never had this picture
Careful,
in the
please, careful.
Have you never had this one in the magazine?
Yes.
That's the same picture.
Mm-hmm. Guys wants to get her hair done, guys. So braid to more. Hintay naman yung lolo niya na pumunta ng pharmacy. Come here.
Side.
Oh. We haven't looked at everything yet, have we? Still, it's massive.
Go to the ocean.
Ang suko eh, gusto pumunta na ng dagat. Opo.
Be where the people are. I mean, up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. 1, 2, 3. wish I could be part of that world. What can I do?
It's a few years.
But if I can leave out of this world, what can I pay to spend today? I'll do stay, ripple and bird on the sick of swimming, ready to stay. Ask them my questions and sit looking around. Let's bring it
Which one do you like, Dave? Show me, Anna. Oh, you look so cute. Look on that side so I can see your hair. Wow. Do you want to have a look? Wow. That's so cool. Oh my God. Is that tight? Pancake.
Mama,
Little ones.
Mama,
Yes.
can I show everybody what I made?
Of course.
Guys, I want to talk. Hi guys, I made something today, and it's so easy for your ring. But it has to be this size. So first, you have to get a ring and this kind of stick, and then you have to just
Ayun yung kanyang experiment.
put it on. Just like that. Fly.
Wow. Well done. That's amazing.
And also will hold yours.
Wow. That's very good invention, honey.
You always thought that on. You always thought that on. Is Alini's turn?
No.
Whose turn?
Mama, Daddy.
Mama, Daddy, what?
Daddy.
Daddy's turn? Well done.
Daddy's Daddy. Mommy.
Daddy's 10. Mommy's 10. Baby.
Mama.
Baby, mommy's 10.
No, that one's black.
Ooh.
Mommy.
Mm.
Daddy's done. Daddy's done.
Bulingit din. Kumain ng mango na ice cream. Ay, na ice cream di eh. Ice drop. Ay, wak.
Mommy. Mommy.
Hmm?
Daddy. Daddy. I'm home on Daddy's.
What happened to Daddy?
Okay. Hi. Oh, no.
Is Daddy asleep?
I
Give Daddy a kiss. Good girl. Say I love you, Daddy.
Daddy.
Say night, Daddy. Say night.
Yo, it's here.
Oh, pero excited sila guys. Okay, mag-swimming? No. Nagkape pa ako. Dalhin ko na lang sa baba. Kape pa mo, ah. Yung mama ni Danny Mike na natulog. Hello, where's the kebab? You got it? Nagre-relax yung mama niya. Hey, ate! Stop making that loud noises ba?
I'm just whistling.
Lini, are you excited?
Yeah.
She is super excited.
Yeah, Lynn is swimming.
Lena goes swimming.
Warm naman yung ano guys, yung spa.
Do I touch the spa?
Yeah, don't wet your face lang. Otherwise, it's gonna go away.
See me. It doesn't match here. Because I'm not allowed to wear this at school.
Yeah, at least tomorrow. You still have 1 week no school. Go. I'm saying tomorrow.
But this is okay if it gets off, it's fine.
Okay. Alright
Doesn't
then.
matter because when we come back to
Oh, sige na anak.
and buy again, we can do my face again.
Okay, sweetie.
So it's okay.
Okay, if you say so.
Wait, can we go back to and buy when long term comes again?
Yeah, next time. I love this one guys. Oh, para sa loob ng bahay ba?
My like 11 sleeps and then we'll come back?
11 sleeps? I
Or
don't think so, my love.
Or 15?
Long time.
20?
Long time. We don't know us yet. It's okay, we'll let you know, okay?
Okay.
We'll let you know when we come back. Pupunta sana to sila ng beach ng tatay niya.
Hi everybody. And we're going in the spa. That's why I'm in my swimming suit. Because I got my face painted tonight and my hair.
Mm-hmm.
And I got a ring for that. I left it in my ring in mommy's bag.
Yeah. Oh, I think there's other people there too.
So there is.
Oh, yeah.
A few moments later.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Woolies. So we decided na magluluto kami for tonight. So ayan na. Umulan sa labas guys. Maglalakad sana pero ang lakas ng ulan. May ano pa, dalugdug. So Paris wants steak for tonight. I'll see what I want. Doon sa ano, gusto ko yung rice na nasa sachet na para mas mabilis. Nakna? And what are you reminding me of, Paris? Ha? Nappy. Wala na yung ano natin, Paris, kaysa mukha. No more face painting. Ayan. She went for a swim.
Can I see? Can I see? Can I see, Mama?
Nothing na. See, look. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nothing. 1, 2, 3.
Have a big.
No.
Get a mushroom. Do you know he likes mushrooms?
Ay, Kailin, come on, follow ate. Follow ate, come on. Quick. Hold mama.
Yeah.
Yeah. Free fruit for kids. Okay, nakikita sila yung free ah.
Mama.
Yes, sweetie.
Aya.
Yeah. Organic.
Daddy.
A pen? Don't have a find it.
Hindi na kami pupunta ng lighthouse today, guys. We will do it tomorrow. Mag-check out na kami bukas ng umaga. So, after the check out, ay diretso kami sa lighthouse. Hey! Put it back! Put it back here! It's carrots! It's carrots! Come on! Yeah! Have this one! Oh, no. Come on! Have a look! Ate Paris leaving na. Oh, wow. Bye-bye, Ate Paris and Daddy. Look. Come on!
No.
Ay, maldita. Kini nga bata. Kini. Uy! Okay, we'll get you one. She wants carrots. Oh, here it is.
Daddy.
How about this?
This one.
That mandarin is free, Daddy.
One more.
Don't get too much, Daddy.
Stop. Yeah, I want gravy, that's it. Thank you.
Let's go.
Let's get some gravy.
Bye.
Hold Mama. Hey. Hey. Hold Mama. We'll go get your nappy, okay? Did you say sorry?
Yeah.
Say sorry. Celine, say sorry, Ate.
Okay. I'm gonna do it to you. Like, okay. I do it. I don't show the
You
people.
gonna have Daddy cook?
It's okay.
Put the shoes away. Put the shoes away.
You're okay.
It's cooking. Leaning. I'm leaning.